Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing the encryption tool that fits your environment and goals. You must back up any files first because encryption will often reformat the drive. Once done, plug the USB into your computer and identify its drive letter or device name so you target the correct device. Make sure the drive has at least half its capacity free to avoid space issues during container creation. Now open your chosen tool, BitLocker, Disk Utility, or VeraCrypt, and get ready to create the encrypted volume. Next, decide whether to encrypt the whole device or make an encrypted file container. You pick a full drive when you need simple portability. Choose a container when you need a file that mounts on the host. Then select a robust cipher like AES-256 and create a long, memorable passphrase. Combine words, numbers, and punctuation, or add a key file for extra protection. After that, set the file system, XFAT for cross-platform access, NTFS or HFS+ when staying on one operating. Finally, mount the encrypted volume with your tool and enter the passphrase or supply the key file. Then copy or move files into the mounted volume and always use the tool's eject or unmount option before removing the drive. Make sure to export and safely store any header or recovery data the tool provides. If something goes wrong, check the drive letter or device name, run the tool with administrator rights, or try mounting on a different machine. If corruption persists, restore from your backup and recreate the encrypted volume.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.